is an identity company, so we have two sets of solutions. One set is workforce identity that manages employee assets. The other set of solution is customer identity, where we enable developers to build auth into applications for their customers to log in. So we are now over 3,000 employees globally, and our website is the largest source of leads for market. Spiralyze actually kept in touch with us through a couple of years before we decided to engage with a partner. We used to have it in-house as our own capability, but then we realized the impact of optimization can be larger if we ramp up the capacity. That's how we decided to engage with Spiralyze to increase the bandwidth and also get more knowledge from how other companies operate.
The objective of the Spiralyze engagement is to increase Okta's website conversion rate. And effectively, this means turning web visitors into sales pipeline.
That manages all the things that I mentioned previously, from ideations to creations of campaigns to implementations. On our side, we just need to make sure internally we have all the approvals to go live on the website, because there's a lot of stakeholders internally on how we show our brand. So that's what we kind of divide and conquer in that sense, to make sure all the campaigns going live are smooth. From a tangible standpoint, obviously we are optimizing for conversion depending on the experiments that we ran. But overall, we are very happy with the result.
Spiralyze helps us develop A/B tests that improve conversion rates on the website. And this is through building a roadmap of high impact tests, developing tests from concept through to launch, and adding insights and expertise to the testing program. The process of working with Spiralyze involves, really going from test ideation and building out concepts through to something which we can review with our stakeholders internally and move to launch and conclusion. And ultimately that process is about building out that roadmap of tests based on previous tests, also based on insights and learnings, and also based on the expertise of stakeholders at both Okta and Spiralyze. And so in that respect, it's a great partnership. The Spiralyze team has been great about wearing different hats and thinking about test concepts, not just as sort of a test with a test operations mindset, but also with the business mindset, and also with the user's mindset. And so this has, in terms of test operations, allowed a lot of value to be added by the Spiralyze team in terms of filling in the blanks on test concepts, because the Spiralyze team has thought about this and the test concept from a lot of different angles.
We have a very capable account managers handling our accounts, organizing different ideations, design processes and implementations with development. On our side, we focus on how do we get approval from different stakeholders internally. So it's a very efficient process.
Spiralyze has been quick to work off of an initial test concept discussion or brief, because there's that understanding and engagement with what we're trying to achieve with the program. Great lifts in our conversion rate on some of our key pages. Those pages would be our free trial pages, as well as our analyst report pages. And through a number of page redesign tests, we've seen test lifts between 40 and 90% for some of those experiments, which has been a really positive outcome.
So I think the largest impact of with working with Spiralyze is enable the culture of testing and the speed of testing. So if you think about how we can churn out many different designs with small change and large and then push it out to live and get the insights from the experimentations to inform how we should go about on the website. That is the largest takeaway intangibly. From a tangible standpoint, obviously, we are optimizing for conversion. So we do see, depending on the experiment, we see somewhere between 5 to over like 300% conversion increase.